In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Mafia 2 Definitive Edition. Check my video description for this mod link. This is the one I'm going to install. This is going to change the HD font, and this is before and this is after. Fix lots of bugs. This is before and this is after. This is before and this is after. Download the mod. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Go back to game folder. Drag and drop these two folders inside of a game folder. Select replace the file in the destination. Once this done, go to documents and go to my games. You need to delete this Mafia 2 Definitive Edition save files. Before deleting this, just drag and drop to desktop to take backup of your game progress. And now you can launch the game. This mod mentions to delete save files. As you can see, delete all game data in the folder. Launch the game and start your new playthrough. We have successfully installed the mod, launched the game, and as you can see the fonts are changed to HD. Mod is working, and that's how you can install mods for Mafia 2 Definitive Edition. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.